Welcome to the top best. The best Purina Pro Plan is probably one of the most sought-after high-protein wet cat food options for discerning pet parents aiming to provide their feline companions with optimal nutrition and a delicious mealtime experience, ensuring they receive the essential building blocks for a vibrant and healthy life, packed with the vital nutrients that support everything from muscle development to a shiny coat, making it a top choice for those who prioritize their cat's well-being above all else. Number 5. Blue Buffalo Wilderness High Protein Pate Variety Pack. Fuel your cat's adventures with high-quality protein from real chicken, salmon, or duck. This delicious food provides the energy they need to thrive. Watch them purr with delight over its smooth, satisfying pate texture. It's a taste cats simply can't resist. Crafted with only the finest natural ingredients, enhanced with essential vitamins and minerals. It's goodness in every bite. We leave out the grains, corn, wheat, and soy. You won't find any artificial flavors or preservatives here either. This variety pack offers 3 delicious flavors: chicken, salmon, and duck. It's a taste adventure every day. Specially formulated for adult cats, this high-protein wet food supports their active lifestyle. It's the complete nutrition they deserve. What we like? This option offers a delightful variety of flavors, including chicken, salmon, and duck, ensuring your feline friend never gets bored. It's a grain-free pate, perfect for cats with sensitive stomachs. If you have a picky eater or want to provide diverse protein sources, you should consider this. What people say. This food is packed with protein, which is great for my active cat. My picky eater absolutely loves the taste and texture of this wet food. I've noticed a significant improvement in my cat's coat since switching to this high-protein diet. Number 4. Tiki Cat Grill Wet Cat Food Variety Pack. This delicious blend provides complete and balanced nutrition for your cat, no matter their life stage. It's a grain-free option you can rely on. Ensure your feline friend stays hydrated with the high moisture content in every can. It offers the supplemental water they need to thrive. Crafted with real meat as the first ingredient, it delivers the essential nutrition your cat needs and the irresistible taste they love. Experience the protein-rich goodness with delicious seafood flavors in every bite. It's a meal that satisfies their cravings. We use only quality ingredients, focusing on high-protein and low-carb fish recipes. You won't find any grains, byproducts, or fillers here. What we like? This food boasts a high moisture content, crucial for feline hydration, and features real meat as the primary ingredient. It's also low in carbohydrates. If you're looking for a way to boost your cat's water intake or prioritize a meat-rich diet, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Quality ingredients and a meat-first formula. For example, the product is grain-free, and the grill line is described as indulgent flaked fish recipes, high moisture, real fish and shellfish in broth. Good nutrition profile. Experts say this line has above-average protein, lower carbs, and is designed for cats who do better with high-protein, low-carb diets. The food has a clean appearance with real shredded meat and good moisture, which makes it easy to serve and appealing. Number 3. Purina One Chicken Recipe Wet Cat Food. Fuel your feline's adventures with high-protein nutrition. Made with real chicken, it's designed to support strong muscles for all their playful moments. This natural formula provides 100% complete and balanced nutrition for every stage of life. Every ingredient serves a purpose, with 0 fillers. Keep your cat happy and healthy with our moisture-rich wet food. It's a delicious way to support their daily hydration needs. Promote a lustrous shine and healthy skin. This wet food is crafted to help your cat look and feel their best. Trust the experts. This tender, gravy-filled recipe is proudly made by veterinarian-recommended Purina One. Stock up on their favorite mealtime delight. This pack includes 24 convenient 3 ounces pull-top cans for easy serving. What we like? This formula features real chicken as the first ingredient, promoting strong muscles and providing complete nutrition for all life stages. It's also recommended by veterinarians. If you are looking for a trusted, protein-rich option that supports muscle development, this is the one to choose. What people say. This food is great for my cat who has a sensitive stomach. My cat loves the taste of this food and it has helped him gain weight. The texture of the food is perfect for my cat and he eats it all up. Number 2. Blue Buffalo Wilderness Chicken Pate. This delicious pate starts with high-quality chicken as the very first ingredient. It's a meal crafted with the meat your cat craves. Experience a smooth, savory pate that your feline friend will adore. It's the perfect texture and taste for a happy cat. Each can is brimming with the finest natural ingredients. It's also enhanced with essential vitamins and minerals for their well-being. You can feel good about what you're feeding them. It contains no byproduct meals, corn, wheat, or soy. This recipe is completely grain-free, making it an excellent choice for cats with sensitivities. It focuses on protein and natural goodness. This multipack provides 24 5.5-ounce cans of our chicken recipe. It ensures you always have their favorite meal on hand. What we like. This is a high-protein, grain-free pate made with real chicken as the first ingredient, offering a savory taste and texture cats adore. If you want a protein-packed meal that mimics a natural diet and is free from common allergens, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The high-protein, grain-free recipe feels like a nutritious choice, and my cat absolutely loves the taste. The pate texture is smooth and easy for her to eat, and it doesn't have any fillers or artificial ingredients that I try to avoid. Since feeding this, her coat looks shinier, and she seems more satisfied after meals. Jonathan loves the flavor and texture of the food, and I love that the first ingredient is, indeed, chicken, as opposed to some sort of filler or grain. My cats have adjusted very well to this food, including one with digestive issues. Number 1. Wellness Complete Health Gravy Adult Cat Food. This grain-free canned cat food is packed with protein and meaty flavor. It's nutrient-dense to support your cat's daily needs, with real protein as the first ingredient. This healthy, natural chicken entree is an excellent source of high-quality protein. It's packed with essential nutrients for complete and balanced nutrition, served in a savory gravy. Feeding wet food is an easy way to help increase your cat's moisture intake. This supports their daily hydration needs for overall health. You can feel good about what you're feeding them. It doesn't contain corn, wheat, soy, or artificial preservatives. Our recipes are created by nutritionists and veterinarians. They are designed to nourish and sustain your pet's well-being. What we like. This grain-free chicken entree is packed with meaty flavor and essential nutrients, with real protein as the first ingredient. It contains no corn, wheat, or soy. If you are seeking a wholesome, protein-rich meal that avoids common fillers and allergens, this is a great fit for your cat. What people say. This food is great for my picky eater. She loves the taste and texture. My cat has been on this food for a month now and her coat is so much shinier. I have noticed a significant improvement in my cat's energy levels since switching to this food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.